In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Salesforce using CRM Perks, Salesforce Sync. This integration is a robust tool that helps streamline your business operations by automatically syncing Shopify customers and orders with Salesforce. By doing so, it empowers you to efficiently manage your data, allowing you to create accounts, contacts, leads, or sales orders within Salesforce directly from your Shopify store. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Shopify App Store. Search for the CRM Perks, Salesforce Sync app. Once you've found it, go ahead and install it. Installation is straightforward, and you'll be guided through each step, ensuring you have the app ready to go without any hitches. After installation, the next critical step is to configure your Salesforce credentials. This is an essential part of the process as it establishes a secure connection between your Shopify store and Salesforce. During this setup, you will input your Salesforce account details within the CRM Perks app, so make sure you have them on hand. This configuration ensures that the data flow between Shopify and Salesforce is not only seamless, but also secure. Once your credentials are set up, you can then proceed to map Shopify fields to Salesforce objects. This is where you tailor the data transfer to suit your business needs. You'll have the flexibility to decide how information from your Shopify store should be reflected in Salesforce. For instance, a customer in Shopify can be mapped as an account or a contact in Salesforce, depending on your business logic. Carefully mapping these fields ensures that all your crucial data is accurately represented in Salesforce, making it easier for you to manage your customer relationships and sales processes. It's worth mentioning that the CRM Perks Salesforce Sync app comes with pricing that starts at $19 per month. However, if you're not ready to commit just yet, there is a free trial available. This trial period allows you to explore the features and benefits of the integration without any financial obligation, helping you make an informed decision about whether it's the right tool for you. In summary, integrating Shopify with Salesforce using CRM Perks simplifies data management and enhances your ability to engage with customers more effectively. With automatic syncing, secure connections, and customizable field mapping, you'll find that this tool is invaluable for maintaining streamlined operations and insightful customer interactions. Give it a try during the free trial period and experience the positive impact it can have on your business workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Shopify and Salesforce integration.